Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. Here we are on day 11 of our 30-day challenge, Earl Nightingale's 2 steps to create a miracle in your life. If you don't know what the 2 steps are, check out the first video in this series. My experience so far is that now, on day 11, you should be seeing some measurable changes towards that goal of yours. I have been seeing really surprising, measurable, impactful progress towards my goal. The goal that I set, I've got a goal on my goal card. I'm reading it each and every day, and each and every day I'm doing more than is expected of me and working harder than I've ever worked before towards that one singular goal. And I'm going to be completely honest with you. I have been shocked and surprised and mystified by how far I've gotten towards that goal. Leaps and bounds more than I thought I would have been at this point, and leaps and bounds further than I've been in any previous 11-day period up to this point. So you should be seeing those exact same results. If you're not seeing those same results, I would say go ahead and start reading that goal card a little bit more often. Spend a little bit more time each day thinking about and visualizing that goal, and then take some time, some quiet time, to consider new options and new avenues for working that you haven't worked before. If you have been doing more work than you've ever done before, you've been getting up earlier, staying up later, and working harder than ever before, then I don't think that the answer is to work even harder. I don't want you pushing yourself to the breaking point, working harder and harder and harder until you absolutely burn out. But I do think that if you spend some more time visualizing that goal as if it's already been accomplished, then your mind will open up to see how it can connect the dots a little bit more in different ways for you to pursue your goal. So here we go, heroes. Your world needs you. Day 11, let's keep it going.